Alright, it's day two of this vlog. And yeah, I'm ready to start my day. So I'm gonna just put this right here. Never did it.
Oh, that's why they got messed up?
Yeah. Nah, Jerry gave me a clipper.
No.
You gonna give me something to make sure you get the Jerry?
Damn,
Grateful, Jerry.
that's kind of messed up.
That's messed up. He's so ungrateful. Yeah, at least he didn't take it back. You should take it back like he took his pick back, bro. I didn't give Stin my pick. Hey, that's my story though. Yeah, you're right, bro.
At least you didn't take it back.
Oh, yeah. Well, there's no way I gave him my pick, bro. Oh, no way.
Talk to me. What? What? You good? You good?
That tends to happen a lot too. What's up, Jared? What's up? What's popping? What'd you bring the camera over here for? Huh? What's up?
That's the best reaction. You don't? Yeah.
Show the camera. Go ahead.
Hey. Memo, come on. Show him.
Show me what?
No.
What are you gonna show me?
No, Memo. Show him. Show what you. Show the picture. Show the picture. Oh my goodness. Where's his hairline? Oh my god. Hey, bro, you gonna come with something, bro? Oh my god. I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. If he does, hey. Boy, what is this? Oh! Okay. Boy. Jarrell, I thought you was coming with heat.
I got more.
I thought you was coming with heat. I thought you was
Hey,
coming
that
with
is
heat.
so weak, bro. That is so weak. Okay, bro, like I got some, I'm thinning out, okay? But this man, bro, he's only 20 years old, bro. Look at it. Where's his hairline at? Just stop it, bro. Just stop it. Just stop it.
You guys. You guys, I got packages. I got packages in the mail. Hold on, please. I forgot where the other one went. All right, we're here. I got packages. Let's unbox them. All right, first package comes from Journey Hair Care. I don't really, yeah, let's just open it up. Ooh, we got a lot of, we got bubbles in here, you guys, so I gotta safely put these in the garbage can. Don't want to make a mess, you know. All right. Okay. Okay. We got beard oil here. And then we got some type of pomade here. He's so wavy. Shout out to you guys for sending this to me. Appreciate it. All right, this one here is from MFP. I think that's what it says. I don't know what any of these are.
Lie!
Well, I do know what two of them are.
Nobody wants to tell the truth.
But this one, I have no idea what this is. Oh, my fluffy puff. That's what that is. My fluffy puff right here. Hold on, hold on. This is supposed to be shampoo. I've been wanting to test this out for a minute. Yeah, my fluffy puff. And this one, I got a YouTube exclusive on this one. I got a YouTube exclusive. Listen, all the sneakerheads out there, y'all ain't got this yet. Y'all do not have, hold on, I don't even need the knife. Y'all don't have this one yet. I'm a first exclusive right here. YouTube, sneaker YouTube. I'm gonna say this again, sneaker YouTube. Y'all do not have these. Y'all do not have these. Y'all already know what box this is right here. Ugh, I feel legit as a sneaker channel. Damn D, this is legit, okay? These are legit. YouTube exclusive right now. You don't have these. You don't have these. YouTube exclusive right now. Look at. Now you know I can't really, you know, describe what these are. These are the 6s. PSG. I got these from overseas. Not overseas like that though. Not overseas like that. All right, not from China waters. Not from over there. But hold on. Let me. I need some type of. Hold on, y'all. Oh, you hating. You hating. Y'all do a close-up on that. You hating right now. Y'all mad. But yeah, I do got the PSGs, all right. This one, I know what this one is, all right? And I'm very excited about it. Memo knows what I'm talking about, right, Memo?
Yeah.
Memo knows what I'm talking about. Let me drop those real quick. The videos is about to get real. It's about to get real extreme right now. It's about to get real hardcore. Real. Yeah.
Is that your airplane?
Yes, yeah. It's a Maverick 2 Pro, okay? Videos is about to be in the air. It's about to be live. It's about to be crazy. Y'all about to see me just like a little me. You know what I mean? Like an ant me in the air, coming down, swooping, and too much, right? All right. Hey, I just want to come back and basically say BSTN is the website where I got these shoes. So don't try to play me. Don't try to play me. This is the first exclusive. These is legit. Don't try to play me. That's all I'm saying. Because I'm not to be played right now. I'm really excited about these, I'm going to be honest. Because ain't nobody on YouTube got these yet. They don't got these. They don't got the full review. Hold on. Y'all not really seeing. Let me get my phone out real quick. Y'all really not even seeing the details, though. Wait a minute. Hold on. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Check out the details, though. Can y'all see on the inside? The way they light up? No? These is clean. All right, I got one more package in the mail, okay? One more package in the mail. Yeah, it's a razor. Yeah, you might be thinking, well, hey, Jeezy, what the heck? It came in that big package? Don't ask questions. That's all it is. Just don't ask questions. It don't even have to be a question, you know? Just watch. You know what I mean? I got this razor right here. Shout out to RELLYBO Barber for this razor. Check it out. Link will be in the description below where you can pick this up. You guys need to see it. Hold on, let me. I'm gonna do a B-roll anyway, even if you can't see it right now. I'm gonna make sure I do some B-roll. But shout out to RELLYBO Barber. He got his name on it. You guys gotta go pick it up. It's in the links will be in the description below.
Check me out at RELLYBO Barber on YouTube, Instagram, and you know.
He got his own razor. Congratulations to him.
Thank you, sir.
I'm just saying the link will be in the description below where you guys can get it. You could go get it in the links in the description below. You guys can go right there and get it in the links description below. That's all you got to do is just right here. Hit the link in the description below because that's where you need to be and that's where you need to get it. So just hit the links in the description below. That's all you. I'm just saying, just hit the links in the description below. It's too bright out here to be doing all that.